morning friends, hope you are all enjoying the days, right? Okay, now before I start, I request you everyone, share with your friends and like, subscribe, click on bell icon. Whenever I upload a new Excel tricks, you will get a notification so that you can watch, and you are the first person who are watching this tricks at that time. Now coming to main part, few hours back I used to do, because I was on Harvey, I used to attend a Excel seminar. For that reason I did something wrong. Okay, so now it is the right now, it's the free time. Now I can tell you how to do picture lookup. Okay, picture lookup. And next topic is partial text VLOOKUP. Now coming to picture lookup, see how it works. You keep anywhere, see here. Okay, now I delete this one, copy any of the pic, paste. By copying means just press Ctrl C and paste anywhere, Ctrl V, and now go to here. I already set the formula is equal to pic lookup, enter, that's it. Paste over here and change it, Balaya only, Mahesh, NTR, Nag. Okay, everyone, everything is right now. Now coming to partial text VLOOKUP. If you have any doubts, mention in the below comment box. Whenever I see, I will reply as early as possible. Okay, now coming to partial text VLOOKUP, I'll explain you. This is the query I am going to give you. For that reason I highlighted with a yellow color. Now ABC, right? Now find where is ABC. So use search ABC in this data, close parenthesis, evaluate by pressing function key F9. You will see here it is in first place. For that reason it is showing 1. Okay, Control Z, Control Shift, enter. Array is nothing but comparing with one value is called function, comparing more than one value is called array function. It is a simple definition. After typing Control Shift enter, you see curly brackets over here. Make sure that you should not type this one. Excel will understand. If you press Control Shift enter, Excel will understand it's an array function. That's it. Okay. F2, if is number, comma, we want write. Write values of this data. That took 2 values, only 2 values, not more than 2 values, only 2 values we need. Okay, text, this is the text, and we need only number of characters 2, not more, because age is only 2 here. For that reason I take only 2. Control Shift enter, because search is only one value, but I given you more than one value here. Search this value in these range. Here also take one value for 2 characters, but I took more than one for in this range 2. Control Shift enter. Yes, what's wrong in this? let me check. Okay, I did not close is number, right? Only a search I closed is number. Is number, yes, I closed is number. Now control shift enter. 73, see, ABC 73. Now we'll do VLOOKUP. Now is equal to VLOOKUP, take this value, it's an approximate value, comma, in this range 0 to 18 means minor, after 18 years, 19 years, 19 to 59 major, after 59 senior citizen. I mean after 60 senior citizen. For that reason I allotted data like this by seeing this data. Okay, understood? By seeing this data I allotted like this. Third value 1. Now it will show you NA. I will tell you why it is showing NA. First we will evaluate this formula by pressing function key F9. See, everything is right, but it is showing NA. For that reason, in previous video I used to say you that don't align left or right. Text will always be left, numbers always be in right. It is an Excel golden rule. You should not change. If you change, you will get confused. Now press enter. What it will see? See, it is NA because it is a text. We are forcing text to see in numbers. It is not possible. So F2 will convert into a number by pressing double negative. Okay, first I will show you. Text always be in quotes, double quotes. See, text always be in double quotes, 73, 73 like this. After pressing double negative, see what will happen by pressing function key F9, 73. So double quotes gone and you converted to a number. Control Z. Now control shift enter only. Got this? And the query which I am going to ask fire you means, if I type any name here, MNO, example MNO, see it is seeing only 0. Why? MNO is 46, F2, see, I will show you here, F9, see 46 is there, but it is showing NA. You are thinking that I did not press control shift enter, right? Okay, we will press control shift enter. See, curly brackets over here, right? So I am firing you this question. So I am giving you 2 days time. See who will answer. If anybody will answer, below in the comment box. If you want to answer, below comment box you can answer. This is the query, and whoever wants this file, mail me. Sorry, below comment box, give your mail ID. I will send this file to them, whoever interested. And if anybody wants to join in my Excel Master WhatsApp group, give me your mail ID and let me know so that I can send you the WhatsApp group link to your mail ID. Because I don't want to keep, because everyone will join, then also they won't be interested. If also they will join. For that reason I did not mention, I don't want to mention my Excel WhatsApp group, and Telegram group also there. There I am going to, by January 1st, I am going to start Excel basics to advanced. Please like, share and subscribe. After subscribe, click on bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification and you are the first person who can see that trick. Hope you understood. If anybody wants, I repeat, if anybody wants this file, mention below in the comment box and answer this query, why it is seeing 0. If it is already there, why it is seeing 0? ABC is right, but again what happened? Why it is seeing 0? It is there. See, MNO 46 means it has shown major, not minor. Why it is showing 0 and why it is showing minor, all those things you have to mention in the below comment box, why it is showing all those things. Okay, That's all for now. Bye guys. Enjoy the days. Have fun. Keep smiling.